Nandito na tayo, guys. Nakarating din tayo, guys. Ilang oras? Oh my God, 15 hours, guys. Medyo may jet lag pa tayo ng konti, guys. Pero nandito na tayo. Alright? Alright, guys. Hinihintay lang namin ngayon yung taxi namin, guys. Tapos mag-aamusal tayo mamaya. Alright? Okay, guys. I-update namin kayo later. Okay, ciao. America or it's crazy. Okay guys, yan ang unang almusal natin guys dito sa Korea. Kararating lang namin guys, may ano pa kami, may jet lag pa kami guys. Okay, subukan natin yung coffee nila. Minimix ata to, tignan natin guys. Okay.
Mix it. This is ice hazelnut.
Oh, nice. Ciao!
No, that's not how it's Europe. Why do you keep saying chow?
Oh, be careful.
Wait, let me just mix this first.
Ganun ba yan?
This is the trend. We're
Okay.
gonna mix it with vanilla.
Alright.
What's this? Banana vanilla.
Alright. Banana vanilla.
Banana milk.
Banana milk.
See guys.
That looks delicious.
Let's try this.
Yep.
I forgot the straw. There you go.
Let's try it, guys. Ciao! Ay, may ciao.
안녕하세요.
Annyeonghaseyo. Guys, ang sarap.
Why do you keep
Ang
saying
sarap.
chow?
Ang sarap, guys. That looks delicious. That looks delicious. Guys. That looks delicious, guys. That looks delicious. Oh. Wow. That looks delicious, guys. Let's try it. Mm. Guys, we have to try this, guys. We have to try this, guys. This is the very famous egg sandwich, guys. Maraming ganyan dito guys. Kahit saan kayo pumunta, makikita nyo ganyan. Yung 7-Eleven nila dito guys. Ang daming tinda. Yan o, parang tropic. Yan guys, parang tropic.